welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 7 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is genders, masculine and feminine. So let's talk about these. So they say it has been already discussed earlier that nouns which refer to male persons or animals are said to be of the masculine gender. तो ये हम पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं कि ऐसे नाउन्स जो कि मेल पर्सन्स या मेल कैटेगरी को रेफर करते हैं उन्हें हम मैस्कुलिन जेंडर्स कहते हैं, राइट. Nouns which refer to female persons or animals are said to be the nouns of feminine gender. ऐसे nouns जो refer करते हैं female persons या फिर animals को उन्हें कहा जाता है nouns of feminine gender. Now, they say nouns which may refer to a male or female are said to be in common genders. अब ऐसे genders जो कि दोनों को रेफर कर सकते हैं, मेल्स को भी और फीमेल्स को भी, उन्हें कहा जाता है common genders. A common gender denotes a living thing. कि common gender denote करता है एक living being को, right? Example, the students are sitting in the class. The teacher teaches us maths. Guests have arrived at home, right? So, in the above sentences, the words students, teacher and guests do not particularly indicate masculine or feminine gender. कि इन सभी sentences में जो words हैं words हैं students, teacher और guest, ये किसी भी particular masculine या feminine gender को indicate नहीं कर रहे हैं. Student may be a girl or boy, teacher may be a male or female. कि student एक girl या boy दोनों ही हो सकते हैं, teacher एक male या female दोनों ही हो सकते हैं. Guests may be ladies or gents. Guest जो है वो भी ladies या gents दोनों हो सकते हैं. Hence, all these are common genders. इसीलिए ये सभी common genders हैं. So, here is a list of few nouns of common gender. तो यहाँ पर एक list दी गई है common genders की, right? Such as customer, clown, bird, engineer, friend, pupil, orphan, musician, student, judge, sheep, lecturer, baby, parent, cook, neighbor, officer, lawyer, artist, teenager, driver, enemy, child, visitor, cousin, broker, doctor, typist, servant, fish, athlete, angel. Nouns which refer to lifeless things are called neuter genders. ऐसे nouns जो refer करते हैं lifeless things यानी non-living things को उन्हें कहा जाता है neuter genders. A neuter gender denotes a non-living thing. कि एक neuter gender जो है वो एक non-living thing को refer करता है. These words are neither male nor female. ऐसे words ना तो male होते हैं और ना ही females होते हैं, right? Examples. The house is very old. Keep the fruits on the table, right? So, in the above sentences, the words house, fruits and table all denote non-living things. कि above sentence में जो words हैं house, fruits और table ये सभी non-living things को denote कर रहे हैं. And hence are neither males nor females. और ना तो ये males है और ना ही females है. Such nouns are called neuter genders. इन्हीं nouns को हम neuter genders के नाम से जानते हैं. Here's a list of some nouns of neuter gender. अब यहाँ पर हमें list दी गई है कुछ neuter gender के nouns की. Let's read it. So this paper, scale, table, bed, dustbin, chair, calendar, book, pencil, scissors, car, bike, cup, saucer, bed cover, and stove. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the things and got them well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.